Hi, I'm Carl Marchese with Fibox Enclosures, and today we're going to install a pole mount kit on the Fibox ARCA 8060. Now the 8060 is from our ARCA IEC series, and this is the largest polycarbonate enclosure on the market, measuring it at 32 by 24 inches by 12 inches deep. Let's get started. The kit includes 2 stainless steel rails, 2 stainless steel K-brackets, 2 stainless steel bands, and 4 6mm bolts. Additional tools required include a 6mm hex nut, 12 inches or longer, and a screw gun flathead screw for the stainless steel bands. Let's get started. So to begin, first you open up your enclosure so you can get into the mounting channel. Next you're going to take your K-bar bracket and you're going to thread the strap through it, and then you're going to insert that into the mounting rail. Next, you're going to use one of the bolts and your 6mm hex nut wrench. Again, I think this is about 14-15 inches. And you're going to guide it through the mounting channel to the hole in the back of the enclosure, which is outside the gasketed area. And you're going to screw it down. I always leave it a little loose at first, this way you can maneuver the second one. And you're going to do the exact same thing, just on the corner side of the enclosure. Once that's done, go back and tighten up the first nut and bolt. And then you're ready to do the exact same thing on the lower pair of mounting holes. So slide the tube in. And adjust it as needed for the desired site location. And then tighten with your screw gun. And that's how you install your ARCA pole mount kit. I'm Carl Marchese. Have a great day.